right, so all I've done is I've done all of my silver painting now, and I attached my little handle by using a little bit of water on each end, pressing it down, just like that, and then I came back and I painted it. I'm going to take a little bit of black and come back and just do a little highlight areas onto it. So just a drop will do it. Color.
Okay, I've got a little piece the same size as the window here, and I'm just going to take this and roll this up. So it's just going to be like the flap that has usually comes down. They've just kind of rolled it up like that. So a little more water.
Camping flap?
Ooh, girl,
Camping
you're moving
flap.
there.
Yeah.
See, I guess I don't camp a lot either. I don't know the terms. The little doohickey that hangs,
the little
you know, that
doohickey
you
that
pull
yeah.
down, you know, and cover and all that good stuff.
All that good stuff.
All that good stuff. Cool.
Okay,
All
so
right.
to my black, I added just a little bit of the lemon extract so that I could just come in and just hit and miss it. You can tell that there's real art and skill to this.
Yeah.
It's just a hit and a miss, because if you came in here and did them deliberately, it's not going to look like an old trash can that's been rolled around and beat up, and you know, you have
So
to.
instead of doing it deliberately, you do it accidentally.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I like that plan.
Okay.
Just here and there. All right, and then don't forget to do the same thing to the top, but go kind of like in a little bit of circles. And you can kind of go in and highlight those little lines that you put in. They might be a little bit darker. Don't forget the handle a little bit. The edges. Got to get the edges.
Gotta get them.
Okay. So there you have your trash can. All right. So now we're going to go ahead, and if Susan, oh, look at you, wait. Susan's been over here sneaking things in.
I know. Well, I'm going to do another set.
Are you
so
okay? Good.
Basically, we wanted it like the cookie that there are a couple of campers in the tent and they're scared to come out because of the bear in the trash can. So if you just want to take a little bit of white and do the whole little eye thing, I think a lot of you know the technique. Ball, E 3 times with your finger to make it more of that
I
oval
love
shape.
the E.
And then just place it, and these I'll probably just kind of place at a little bit of an angle. Okay, ball.
Hang on. We got to get a nice shot of this. Give me the E one more time.
I know.
Okay,
We
you're
love
going
it.
to take your finger and you're going to go E. Ready? 1, 2, 3. E.
Three
Then you've
times
got the-
only, folks, otherwise it does not work.
Right, and you have to say the E.
Always.
Always. Then you just want to take 2 small balls of black and just place them right on there like so. And we are ready to go.
And
What
we are ready
what
to
do you
go.
have next? Anything? Or do
actually-
you want to do the rope or?
I can do the rope if you need me to do
Unless
the
you
rope. I was
have-
just going to do the little bear for them really quick.
Oh yeah, do the bear and I'll get the rope stuff.
Oops, no. Sorry, I just spilt my little thing of water there. That's okay. Paper towel to the rescue.
I'm actually just going to put a little bit of white buttercream down around this. We're going to have some just like dirt around it, but I want it to stick to something, so I'll go ahead and put this down first, and then we can put the little spiky things in. What are they called again? Stakes?
The stakes.
So we'll just go ahead and pop some of this down.
Just smear it around.
Smear it.
Smear it.
The old smear it
Yes.
technique. Just smear it. Okay.
Nicely done, girl.
Nice smear job.
Smear.
You know, if you turn, I'm just going to point something out. If you've always been afraid of doing a purse cake, look at the style that is right there. See it?
Yep.
That is a handbag, and all you do is add your handle to it, and you now have a really great purse. She's got the trim work and stuff. Sorry, I just couldn't miss
So
the
I think this
opportunity.
is you're getting 2 cakes in one.
In
It's
one.
a twofer.
Yeah. It's a twofer.
A twofer.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love that.
Or a handle on a tent. So either way, it's good.
Yeah.
It's good.
But I just didn't want to miss that opportunity because people are always afraid how to
Yeah.
even do
Yeah.
a purse cake. Okay. Anyways. All
I
right.
kind of like the handle on the